Hi everyone, my name is Lois Amaka and I just completed the Agility 4.0 training program, and I must say it was very insightful, it was great, it was awesome because we had great project officers and then trainees, and also with these skills I've gained and attained, I'm going to use them in my new job I just landed. And also I would like to tell other people and other females that tech is really evolving, and then you have to involve yourself in the tech business. So whenever you see these opportunities around, I mean, people are paying a lot for this. So whenever you see these opportunities around, please try and apply and then take part in it. It's not, don't think it's really difficult and you can't do it. You can do anything if you set your mind to it. Thank you, Shoko Academy and Agility, for this great opportunity. We are very grateful.
My name is Cohort, and I saw Shoko Academy's post on Instagram. Joining this cohort has been really insightful for me. I've been able to learn a lot about digital marketing and then web design. I realized that the classes were very interactive, and then it was very intimate, and so you were able to talk to the facilitators and then feel comfortable within the space. I'm really thankful to Shoko and Agility for this opportunity because it doesn't come easy to get something very free, and this opportunity has really added value to my life. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Hi, I'm Esther. I heard about the code with Agility from a friend on Facebook. I realized that she was part of the previous cohort, so I decided to follow your page on the Shoko page on Facebook, and I saw the opportunity and applied. I'd say being part of this cohort has been really insightful and informative. I've learned so many things about web designing that I didn't know of, and also I've learned about digital marketing, and I believe that with those skills that I've earned, I can also set up a business or use it as a side gig and get some income. I want to say thank you to Shoko Academy and Agility for this partnership. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Caroline Duncan, and then I heard about Agility's partnership with Shoko Academy to train ladies in Python coding and in digital marketing, and so I applied. And it lasted for 6 weeks and was really intensive, and it made sure that we were able to build our own sites, be able to code in Python, even code in other languages like HTML and all of that. We also had certain soft skills sessions with certain experts, and it was all something that I feel really privileged to have had because it came at it was free for me, but someone had to pay for it, and I really appreciate that. So I would urge you all to just enroll into it if you see any subsequent things like that. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Josephine, and I heard about Agility and then Shoko Academy through Instagram, of which I joined, and it has been very, very helpful. I learned about Python for 6 weeks, of which I had a lot of ideas about it and how to run codes. I also learned about some soft skills which also add up to more value to myself. I thank Shoko and Agility for all these things because they've been very helpful in this program.